it's a strong brake cable. And I'm going to run this up here in some fashion and over to the left side over there where it's going to work for our accelerator. I haven't figured it out yet, but I will. Now, this goes in like this, and down, and then it gets like that, and then if we pinch it slightly, there, okay. So that's going to be our action, and that will give us our trapped thing. Then this will have to be sprung somehow, possibly up to here with the spring. That'll keep, this is idle and this is fully accelerated, so that's kind of what we're after right there. That's like that. Step on the gas, it'll go vroom. The next thing I have to do is make a gas pedal identical to my brake pedal. And so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I'm laying out my pedal dimensions. I'm going to make my gas pedal, just like I made my brake pedal, out of 3/8 inch solid rod. And I'm using soapstone to mark it because I'm going to heat this rod up and bend it, put some nice sharp bends in it, and the soapstone won't go away. Now, normally I could do this and just bend it without heating it, but I want some kind of nice sharp bends in the pipe, or in the rod rather. So I'm going to heat it up. Now you know what they mean when they say strike while the iron is hot. Okay, there's my first bend, and I like it a lot. I think I'll cool that. Just a Tupperware container with some water in it. I've wiped off my soapstone measurement. So, I gotta try it again. 3.5 from this side should be it. These are 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches by 7.5. Seems to be a nice pedal size. I think it will be good for adults and kids. All of this stuff can change, you know. You can always decide to lengthen something, cut something off if it's too long. And I'm sure I'm going to do a lot of adjustments on this. Okay, now I have to think about how I'm going to make this bend. I'm going to put it in like this, and I'm going to bend it like that. I'm just kind of doing it by eye. That's it. I have cut some tubing that fits around a 3/8 inch, and this is going to give me my hinge point. Actually found some tubing that was almost perfect, but I had to put it on the lathe and drill it out with a 3/8 inch drill bit, and that gives us our hinge. I'm going to put these two right together, brake and gas, and then the passenger can stuff their feet over here somewhere and hopefully not get in the way of the gas. Okay, tack that one. Now there's my gas pedal, and to keep it from going somewhere, I may put this cap on here. I think I will. There. Well, there's our gas pedal doing its thing. Okay, I'm going to put our spacer on and put a little grease on here too. These front wheels actually have grease fittings, and I'll probably, when I get a chance, I'll probably actually put them, pump some grease into them. But for now, we'll have this. Okay, take this off. We're going to put our goop on. Put it good. Slide our spacer on. If I didn't have the spacer, the wheels would hit the steering arms. That's why I'm putting on the spacer. A bit too tight, and we'll back it off a little bit more. There's our nice roll.